So today I'm so excited because I have a new laptop and I'm so excited. The laptop I have, it is the new Apple Macbook Pro. This is the 14-inch and it's with 1 terabyte. And I am so happy because first of all, I love Apple products and I love their MacBook Pros and all their products. So I'm so excited to have a new laptop and yeah. And also this is a Christmas present. My dad and my grandma, they got me this laptop, so thank you to them. I love you all so much. And I'm so excited to unbox this laptop on camera with y'all. But before I do that, I'm going to show you my old laptop. And I have the new one right here in this box. But before I unbox it, I'm going to show you all my old laptop. And this is, let me show it right here. This is what my old laptop looks like. And this is my old laptop. This is the 13-inch MacBook Pro, and it's the late 2011. And yeah, so I had this laptop. I got this laptop in February 2012, but this laptop came out in 2011. So I had it for 9 years, but it's been out for 10 years. So yes, and this is, like I said, this is what it looks like. And this would look like on the side. Have all like the old MacBook features they have on here. It's all the old MacBook plugins and everything needs to have on the side, and also they have the DVD player. So yeah, that's my old laptop, and let's unbox my new laptop together. So, and also you can see I had this beautiful sparkly case on here as well. Has some stars I had on here, and yeah. So I'm so excited to show you all my new laptop, and also I have some accessories to go along with my new laptop. So if you all want to see me unbox this laptop, just keep on watching. Alright, so let's open this together. Ooh, that is so pretty. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. It's so pretty. Okay, so let's unbox the laptop. Okay, so here's the tab right here. Okay, so let's open this up. Okay. Okay, so here's the laptop. And this is what the cable to the charger looks like. Okay. And also here's the instructions. Oh, they give you some stickers. That's nice. They used to give us some, I think, white stickers in the other MacBook Pros as well. These are the black ones. It's cute. So here's the instructions in here. And also here's the adapter right here. And here is the adapter plug-in right here. Also, okay, these cords right here plug in here and plug them into your computer. That's nice. And here's all the information about the MacBook Pro. And let's open this laptop together. Alright, let's open this up. Wow. Let's see. Oh, that's really nice. Oh, that's so cool. It says hello. Different languages too. They have different languages. I'm gonna give a close-up of this right here. Where the camera's at right here. Okay. So excited to use this laptop.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
And I'm going to show you all what it looks like after I finish setting everything up, and you can look and see how it looks after I go through all the steps to log into the laptop and set everything up. But I'll be right back. This is what it looks like when I finish setting up some of the information. I haven't set up everything. I'm going to transfer a lot off of my old computer to this computer, but I just want to show you how it looks like after I set up some of the information on here. And yeah, it's so cool. So okay, I just logged into here. Okay, so this is what it looks like when I finished setting some of the information up. It took me to the home screen, and yes, it's so cool. So I'm gonna click on someone here just to give you, a demonstration of how everything looks on here. So here's some of the apps right on the home screen, the camera right here. Okay, so I'm gonna click on Safari, and it's really fast too. Yeah, so I'm gonna, for example, I just type in Google. I just type in Google real quick. Yeah, so it's really fast, and I can't wait to edit some videos on here and just explore this new MacBook Pro. And yes, Hope you all enjoy seeing me unbox this laptop with y'all. Let me give you another close up of it. Okay, I'm gonna exit out of here real quick. Okay, so here's this overview of the laptop. And also here's the speakers right here as well. Right here. And also I want to show you the outside of it as well. On the side of the MacBook Pro, here's the MagSafe 3. And there is 2 Thunderbolt 4. And here's the headphone jack. And on the other side of the MacBook Pro, here is the SDXC card slot. And here's another Thunderbolt 4. And then there's the HDMI. And this is the MacBook Pro in the color Space Gray. But also they have the option you can get it in silver. But I got it in Space Gray, and I got the 16 gigabytes memory, and also have 1 terabyte of storage. And also MacBook Pro is written on the bottom of the laptop. And also right where I'm pointing, the words MacBook Pro is now gone off of the MacBook Pro. And also this MacBook Pro have a Touch ID, so your fingerprints can unlock the MacBook Pro and sign into apps instantly and make purchases using your Apple Pay. If you have Apple Pay, then that's awesome. My MacBook Pro 2011, which had the Apple backlit logo, which would light up and glow in the dark, now is this silver, like gray Apple. But it is new for me since I'm coming from a 2011, which had the logo lighting up, and this one is just like, the gray silver logo on here. But I like it as well too. It's really pretty as well. Which I know they've been changed the logo on the back of the laptop for some years now, but I just know it's it's different to me because I was on my 2011 MacBook Pro. And here's this laptop stand I ordered off of Amazon. It is a bamboo wood laptop stand, and it's so pretty, and it is so great for your laptop. You can adjust the height of the laptop stand if you want it higher or lower, and it definitely holds your laptop so well, and I definitely recommend this laptop stand. And I will leave a link to the laptop stand in the description box below. And also I got the OWC Thunderbolt dock. And also I got this so I can plug up my USB cables into the USB ports they have on there. Also they have an SD card reader and Ethernet cable I can use. And also I have an SD card, and I'm happy they have this so I can use my SD cards because the SD cards that I have won't fit into the new MacBook Pro SD card slot. But my SD cards can fit into this SD card slot. And I have the USB 2.0 port, which I'm happy I can use my old USB cables. Combo audio in and out jack. And here is a Thunderbolt 4 port where you can plug in the Thunderbolt 4 cable and then plug it into your computer. Here's the Kensington security slot and the Nano security slot, and these 2 slots are for anti-theft cabling. And this is built-in security. The DC IN20B, and this is where you plug in the power adapter into. And there's 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports, gigabit Ethernet, USB 3.2 ports, 10 gigabits. And also when I get the Apple SuperDrive, I'm going to plug it into the USB 3.2 port because this dock is the only dock that I've seen that supports the SuperDrive. And here is the Thunderbolt 4 cable. And here's the power adapter and the cable to plug into the wall. And here's the paper that shows everything that's in the box, but also I have to go online to download the full manual. And that is everything that is in the OWC Thunder Dock box. And here is the Unique Find clear case, and I'm so happy I got this MacBook Pro clear case from Unique Find, and I love it. And here is the top of the laptop case. And here is the bottom of the laptop case. And both of the two pieces both snap onto the MacBook Pro. And also I got the Microsoft Office Home and Student. I have the Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, and Excel that I'm using for my new MacBook Pro. Okay, so that is the end of this video. I love my laptop and all my accessories to go with my laptop. It is so awesome and I can't wait to start using my laptop, and I know I'm going to have so much fun using it, and so just edit a lot and have so many great videos coming out for you all. Okay, so this is the first Apple product I ever unboxed on camera, and yeah, like I said, I love Apple products, so I'm so excited I got to do this unboxing on camera for you all. And also, yes, like I said, I want to thank my dad and my grandma for this awesome Christmas present. Thank you for this Christmas present. It really means so much to me. And like I said, I can't wait to start using this laptop. And yeah. Alright, love y'all. Also, let me know in the comments below, did you buy the new Apple laptop, any laptops, or any of their new products that came out? Let me know in the comments below if you bought any, and I would love to know. Just let me know in the comments below. So if you all enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn your post notification bell so y'all will be notified whenever I upload another video. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Alright, bye. Alright, love y'all.